Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'll be going over I've been paid with Stickr.co. So log into my account. Right, so you go through my earnings. I have not updated my spreadsheet in a while. Gotta do that now. Updates in November. Take a little bit. Quick. Take my picture later. And in November, this drops. As soon as I change my address, drops. So I don't know what the deal with that is. Every month is always $10 charge. So now from May 2019 to March 2021, I made $200 from that. I might try a different advertising company, see if I get better results somewhere else. But this is what it is at right now. And I'm going to West Payout, cash out. Now I actually get my gift cards. They're all restaurant.com gift cards. So you had to pay money to use coupon. It's pretty much coupon, what it is. And that's the updates. I guess in the next update, I will show you the 59 that I just threw. It's 59.58 in my PayPal as proof. But I have been paid by them before, so it shouldn't be an issue. So yeah, so you can check my affiliates. See, total I've made 0 from this. But here's my link if you're interested in joining. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share the video, and I will see you next time.